benar kami kini turang merama turbunang onelewa to all the parents, to students, all the teachers going to school. Kadem, saya benar ka Eleanor.
Good morning to all the mothers that are tuning in from home this morning, preparing breakfast. Many of them nangonongo sa spintuloy sulu.
Iyo.
They are doing their washing because the weather is absolutely fine. It's windy outside.
Really?
Dareda ni rasoy ngalang to kana baby nikaw. Damaru ta ko nan rakin ni bingarabi and inday. Pagkatalaki na to all the drivers out there that are tuning in this beautiful morning with their passengers. Lian Benaka.
Benar tambay say. Tonia no sorry suba bila boleh besar nasa kumayan nonton kono baru takin matang ko Dems.
Well, good morning to all the parents out there. You see one guava tree is segi.
Yes, ma'am.
Pondo sarna.
The windy is outside. We are here in the room. We see the windy, the shaking of the guava tree. The guava tree itself don't bear fruit because of the windy.
Yes.
Nowadays. We are saying good morning to everyone joining this morning, to all the drivers, Bentari KD148,
Yeah.
from Lokia to Suba, to all the passengers.
Right.
We are saying good morning to you, Joseph Atehan and the family,
Yan,
to
Rebecca.
the bus driver from Nasibi Botkola Tamaydon,
Right.
not forgetting the bus going right to Piling.
Oi.
Balele with the Nasese bus, good morning to the driver
Yeah.
and the passengers, the not the LM, the LM and the LT1230,
Right.
to everybody on the road right now.
Right,
You
Tiko
are
Kele
listening
taxi
to the VTFM.
drivers. Tiko Kele taxi drivers.
Yes.
They always tune into VTFM. Bayar tadi bikin niket Sara. Kira nomor ni pasindia di bengkar revoluti kan mata ni kuah.
Yeah.
Not forgetting the Nasese bus.
Oh.
Nasese 4 kelan rebo turang tahu neori.
Oh.
Bawa Nandaro.
Oi.
Iyo neba. Kira sana bikin diberi kola neba.
Right.
Bala telo Nandaro nga to bringyo
Dono binaka,
Right. Yan benaka.
To City Railene to the 00958
Yeah.
to say 00
Right.
00952 to City Railene and the family, and not forgetting Simeli New Matewalu Brother and Rabinaka.
Benar kami kini talking about the guava tree. And don na kira banget takin na guava leaves.
Right.
And abi mateso.
Stomach ache.
Doon mo benar Dems. Na dia tahu matu so na Ruby ko kabiti. Banget takin me
Herbal medicine.
herbal medicine.
Right.
Doon mo benar.
First of all, we are going to the guava right now.
Right.
Right.
If you have a stomach ache, you have to chew. To chew the...
Sino kuawa?
Yung ko rin talaga rin lima mo na matay mate. Ito pala atin ang raking ko balte mama, da? The somuna.
Yeah, right.
The small, the softest leaves.
Right.
You can doloka. You take it from the plants. You put into the tap. You wash it nicely. Then you put into your mouth and chew it.
Right.
You chew. You swallow the watering.
Oh, just swallow the water, not the whole. Okay. The leaves?
The leaves you put it outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
so
you so
it
much.
will help you.
Right.
From stomachache to
Headache.
no. It's like a painkiller. It's like a painkiller.
It will move your stomach to your head.
Right.
It's like a painkiller. This one.
Right.
Yeah.
And also, it stops diarrhea. Dysentery.
Yes.
Right. For our kids, if you have small kids at home, like bata-bata tiko, most of them are going through this. We can chew it and then put the juice. Or what you can do, moyada. Eda nanrona, lombaka, na juice selebingone, baby will drink it, baby will be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So nangauna swear to kuna some say to double the leaf baka meron visa. So dan nandro ko ba ba so na mate daw.
Some they use the visa,
Iyo.
especially this one.
What's that?
The one outside. This one for the pregnancy.
Oi.
Yeah, like for if you pregnancy.
Nada ikaw daw.
Kaya nga lilitong kwesa.
Our viewers don't know.
You
have to
explain because you see, you can
No,
know.
I can see.
The one,
Siguro may na.
Baka nandro ni daw ko din.
Wachi.
Oh, the bachi-bachi. Sorry.
Bati-bati.
Bati-bati.
Okay.
So,
Right.
if you see this one,
Yes.
you have to come daw mga talaga min daw sa pinanganakete after pregnancy o tinapakasud.
Right.
Oh, so double? Have to double it?
Kung ko kede, all in.
Kaya
Okay.
sa nga.
Sa Wakana,
Iyo, right.
Tuki.
Iyo.
We have to Tuki and after that you butal maniway may sambong indo sembong iru ya sanang kay mana sar pabinaka.
Okay.
Nothing will work nicely
Iyo.
when 1 to 2 days.
Oh,
So
okay.
especially so nangona baka ko baka mo sa baso to baka because when you give birth for the women it's very dangerous
Yeah.
That's why don't lift heavy things. Don't think mo lift no baka sam because it will give you narikoto may
Headache.
ni musli ulu kare
Iya.
mo sarabi ko na tabuka.
Right.
Amelia linalo.
Tandoka.
Iya.
Tandoka.
Iya.
This one is a good one. Dapat watch for
Yes.
them.
Kuya number 1.
Iya.
Oy.
Number 1 no kuya.
So, hindi na.
Iya.
Okay, how about the lady giving birth and the no milk there?
No milk.
Iya.
Right.
If no milk,
Yeah.
before giving birth, most of all they used to meron daw nguno ba the juice and raw ni si lato
Iya.
Naka-hibiscus one, kung nakawili-wili
Yeah.
Right.
before give birth, to help them give birth properly.
Eh, usah na kila ka sa tubi kongo.
Iyo, and ang nguno pa na raw ni lato
Iya.
So
Lato?
kami yung ranin, sinto.
Oy, nanum salato.
Sa lato may
Breakdance.
Sa may
Yeah.
may wakia binaka,
Ha-ha.
then put into, then you drink from a cup.
Okay.
It will help you to give birth na properly.
Oy.
Oy.
Oy, oy. Oy,
Yeah.
okay. I thought we'll
How about the
produce
sudu
milk.
mother?
milk.
Kasudo, if your milk is dry,
Not
Yeah.
producing,
not
yeah.
producing say baka sigani
Yeah.
to madakakinamba sisi. Nambamba.
Yeah. You have to eat a lot of
Yeah,
bamba.
lot of bamba.
Roro.
Siya nga, dambamba.
Iya.
Nandraw natamba na nga for the
Oy.
meaty
Iya.
meo kanambamba. The birth nanomu breastfeeding.
Natawi na ka na
Iya,
sudo.
tawi na ka na sudo.
Iyo, sa wala nga ni bamba,
Ito,
nandun
nice.
dalitana.
Oy.
Dalitana, so na kai. And dito, there's different places and different beliefs na kai rin daw mga tao ni sudu. Baka, my mother-in-law side,
Iyo.
they always eat kai. Yeah.
Right.
But tukun orto virto, baka tao ni sudu. Virto, orto baka merto sang katatale.
Iya.
Orto na side win na. Baka orto lamal yang kata kai.
Iya.
Ninarali, it can affect baby's health.
Mm.
But to them, it's sara kakanan tinaning on virto. My mother's side,
Iya.
orto nanron dalita na nga.
Kor kawan na bukin dem siya niya
Yeah.
na multi skill tu
Iya.
Di santo lang ka na maramatin na, santo ko stepino ko eh.
Oyo.
Meron ito binang na sudetas.
Nakatangan ko.
Iyo.
I went to the hospital.
Right.
And I went to
Hospital?
Yeah. I went to the hospital. Kailangan irabasyo doon na maramatina.
Iya.
Because myself, when I was staying at home,
Right.
Kaya na bigyan na maramatin na sudo
iya.
ya na bibalimbula.
Sembo.
Arabi na bagit sugo.
Iya, mga to,
Buli kino nung kumbu.
Iya.
Oh, mbui bale.
Iya.
Most of the mother. Okay, ba rabakasyo din ako, rabakasyo din mo mbui bale.
Ay, okay.
So na
Tira maramabuko,
Bengarabi.
Iya.
Bengara na maramatina, she
Right.
knows very well.
Right.
Kaya kaya Bengarabi ko, you don't eat salt.
Iya.
Salty
Yeah.
food nabakar na kemu.
Right. No fried foods.
Iya, no fried food. Sa kamanta ni watari mo tambe.
Dapat to nga.
Kaya kaya ko ba sudo ti kon tambe na
Right.
enandota ni na dere ni kitim.
Right.
You have to lie down all the time. So you have to stay in the taunam.
Tahu na ba?
Taunam. Mutul naman ni taunam. Monda mo tu.
Dana
That's
mo rer bagi sarau satu kurang
No,
minggu.
Damada.
Yeah.
Okay.
Damada. That's why it's very important to
Right.
respect mothers while give birth.
Yes.
You don't go there. Father, you have to stay outside. You just
Mika,
the food.
Mika, we have to teach this to Mika.
Yeah.
He is, he can limit himself.
So if they give birth the mother,
Iya.
so sometimes kaya basuloti the like grandma
Right.
at home,
Iya.
she won't let any mother give birth in the town, in the mosquito net,
Yeah.
to sit. You have to
Lie down all the
and
time.
eat
Right.
every
Right.
time.
Right.
Don't wear trousers.
Iya. Oi.
Mukunan tara mga trousers, melo katakan na kitemu.
Okay.
You have to wear nice
Dresses. All right. Dresses.
Mas
Oh, sulung
sumatong,
katong, eh? Right.
Yeah,
Right.
that will help you. So you don't let father come to you because that's the only time the beautification of a mother will be on the high percent.
Right. What?
So,
So it's a risky
Oh,
period.
it's
too.
right.
yeah, for them to
Mika, rawan na tika. Don't go to the town na mo.
You have to respect the mother and
Yeah.
the mother to have to respect the doctor in the home.
So
Right.
my father sitting this morning, kaya sa father don't act like I Andrew.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to wear the bell.
You have
Yeah.
What to maybe the namay sa utumay.
discipline yourself.
Yeah, you have to discipline.
Mika, discipline yourself.
To give the milk.
Listen.
Come on,
Yeah.
carry on.
We went to the hospital.
Yeah.
And some mother they only one side, eh?
Yeah.
Only one side of the milk. This heavy this for the some they only one side give milk. Some they don't.
Yeah.
Because the namatana
Yeah.
kino. So
Right, yeah.
the doctor said to one father there, and one for this father asked the
Yeah.
doctor, how come the can give birth on the can give milk?
Yeah.
The other one, Niki Kineloma.
Yeah.
Esa manda na kiniwali kaya baka binakatameka
Kung nakain ako.
Yeah.
ni sama boy.
Yeah.
Because you can give the blood to the
Baby.
Yes,
the
yes,
baby.
yes.
Kaya baka sama buwango ni sinitaw tume babinaka. So tulo mo sila kare karo ang kay namata na eh.
Yeah.
Went inside.
Iye
Yes.
kino to kay
Yeah.
Kaya sinirawa.
Yeah.
Ngat kuno buni wayo. Karo gin dendre. Ang gin dendre baka nanono taro eh.
Yeah. What
And
did the doctor say? What did the doctor say?
Kaya baka ko binakatamela ko may tumbo, you the one who have to
Put it out.
iyo mo
Yeah.
Help.
mo
Yeah, to help.
mo help.
Iyo.
Kila rongo lasa baka sa kasakay. Iyo me sa kami bito may
Yeah.
Then that thing walk.
Oy!
Mo sila bidedi. And that thing walk.
Nakangailan ka tunggain resident dili pangamay sa police balik pula. Taking no time in there.
Makasabi ulit.
Well, Daddy. Please don't do that, Messi.
That's from the doctor.
Iyo.
And the doctor said, awas una naman debi wali.
Yeah.
Iya,
Ang wala
sir.
sa tuko na mo ka sa usara din sa ka.
Yeah.
Uy, siya ngay, nakanggo may bunutan yan.
Baka sa encourage tagi ko.
Siya ni...
Yeah, di
Sa
na.
nga, meron mga bulan
Right.
bilang na
And there's one thing,
Yeah.
for first-time mothers,
Di na.
it happens a lot, na nindo, woo! Very painful. Very painful. Eso to mapoa.
Kaya na bumbu, kaya ko din de Messi.
Ah.
Niwapo kito na sa dibale sa kisudo mo jud chini ngon
Yeah.
ne. Do them require my kere. Terkaya nga
Yeah.
puli dari kuang. Padu binaka dibikin menikah na maramatina.
Yes, thank you to
papalalay.
all of us mothers.
Di
eh,
Sara.
the pain that we endure
Respect the
to
mother.
bring the child to the world.
Iya.
Tuko na nga no ng bumbu siya may busing ha. Kaya bawaro to may tombol binaka may busing ha. Tuko na nga ka be ndo na maramatin na ya. Kaya na elewa moro watu noyay. Kaya moro watu noyay. Moro musibangoy moro yalayawa.
Iya.
Mawaray bakan duangoy, mawaray bakan duangoy. Tinoy bidan na yang
Makere
bagay.
tini gangoy.
Iya, makini sarnongoy mabiri bakan do na kinabato.
Iya.
Moro gimanoy bidan na yang baki moro malaikat talitu. Ni watu nga na kina kasama eh.
So siya ba dibuhayan binaka father sleep in the bathroom?
Oh, sobo. Wasi mo ni pano.
Yeah.
Isa. Dombula. Iliabi mo de bakada. Kuring asa nga
Kari,
sandina.
orang ini so siya ba dibuhayan?
Betul kan?
Ala pakai kinoti ko nabuto na imik. Ang kere-kere sarang aso sininggal bakan tunduya.
Sakit hati lo mga ani.
Isa. Ako nga ko na kinabuata sa... Kore si Salambale. Para ni sa duwin si Australia. Tama ili meliki. Wali we. Ili mo nakanta na lakuduro mali mo nakanta na may kilay. So na ulutangan daw dende tonon da bitan nota kay ambulat ko kina.
Iya.
Paano ini binak no watu nitu. Ted koringa sangasa. Taman relevo umbula binak. Bisa kira kai rosa udoko-doko.
Asli ka marama. Saya yan binaka. Dan binaka may nadodole. Busi na toka. Emrock.
Sandina.
Tamay mere. Seka. Yan binaka.
Keto mi keto usada ba sa paano ini binabi kemo ni? Ay nasinga ni kuwa binabali usaran daw siya mabulimay.
Ministry of Strategic
Otawis.
Planning.
Iya.
And Strategic Planning, National Development and Statistics.
Right.
Ross Duncan. To yan binaka.
Nangonong ko, badur tiko namatay ni semifinal. Rosota tiko namatay team ni Spain. Bata kay Varanise. Sa luti ko nangonong ko Spain. Sa ikabasa ka bulkan ni Miniti. Ningito. Luti ko Spain 2. Semberto ni Bakay namatay team ni Varanise. Kaya namatay ni semifinal ni FIFA World Cup.
Doon binaka.
Ano ni binaka?